Makapicture kayo sa magandang view.
Documentary sila.
Malalim po ito, ate.
Malalim, lagpas na doon.
It's 8 feet. Times 2.
Lagpas lang naman.
I like
Okay, sabay-sabay.
1 by 1. Sandra, 1 by 1, Sandra.
Very good.
Why my
Go home
woman
now.
here? Enjoy yourself there, Wing. What's this? Okay.
You're Romana.
I'm a lot heavier than Eastern Timor people. Yeah, well.
Ito ang gustong-gusto nyo. Ito pala yung gustong-gusto nyo.
This is Sandra's choice.
Is this a video, yeah?
No,
Well, I put on a video.
the other
for a
one,
minute.
this one, the other one, the video.
Will I see if I can get a video on my one for a minute?
Okay.
Okay.
Careful.
Now, I press this there.
Okay. I have to video now.
Try to be sometimes, you know, being alive.
Anong area ito, ate? Anong barangay ito? Anong barangay ito, ate?
Ano, Kinit?
Kenneth. This is
Block
Kenneth
16.
Block 16.
Block 16, Kinit.
Wherein we going to...
There na!